Hi, I'm Blossoming Jasmine, your feminine energy coach. And on this channel, I show you how to believe in yourself, blossom your relationships to attract fruitful connections, and become the best version of yourself authentically. Follow me on my journey. What in the world? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blossoming Jasmine, and I just wanted to record a video before I go home. Of course, you already know I work at Amazon, and last night, because I work nights, last night was my first time going over the road by myself from one warehouse to another, and it actually wasn't that bad. I was very, very nervous. I was late leaving. I was late getting there. I was late coming back. But the great part about Amazon is they're like, did you get there safely? Yes. Okay. You were late. It's fine. You're not paid by the mile. You're paid by the hour. So safety first. And the warehouse that I work at, I would say they won the safest warehouse in the whole like Newcastle area. I'm actually in the picture. Maybe I'll put it in one of like these videos, but they're like really, really big on safety. So it just makes you feel more comfortable, you know? But I went from Delaware to somewhere in New Jersey. It wasn't even that far, but like getting my pre-trip ready and everything has to be logged correctly and making sure that, you know, everything's on point. You know, I drove a brand new, because all their trucks, they had a Peterbilt, a Penske, and Volvos. Now we have 3 brand new Kenworths. Like, the first time I drove it to go over the road, not by myself, but like kind of what a ride along, it had 1,001 miles. And then when I got to my destination, which was only 10 miles away, it had like 1,011 miles. Yeah. It was like 1,111. Well, whatever. It was all one. So I was like, oh snap, look at that. I'm pretty sure I took a picture, but anywho. I like it. You know, I did have to breathe a lot. I was just like praying the whole time. Like, our Father who art in heaven. I probably sound crazy if they look at my video or something, but I don't care. You know, even with nobody on the road, I was just like not used to it. But I had this lady tell me, she was like, you know, driving isn't that bad. You get used to looking in both of your mirrors and everything like that. It's just the backing part. And I had to think about it, because I know on one of my other videos, I was like, trucking is hard. I don't know what these people's talking about. But my job as like half yard jockey, half over the road driver, you know, majority of the time I'm backing. So she was like, sweetie, you got the hard part out of the way. Like, your job is the hardest part in trucking, backing. So from your perspective, yes, you know, trucking is hard. But if all you have to do is drive the truck, you just have to pay attention to the curves and the merging. That's really it. That's the most difficult it really gets as like someone who drives over the road. Just pay attention in traffic and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, she really has a point. She has a really good point. You know, everybody has to pre-trip. I don't think everybody does pre-trip. But other than that, you're either driving or backing. And, you know, I'm pretty good at backing. So I felt kind of comfortable backing up in a semi-truck today. I was able to get it on the dock door perfectly. I just had to breathe through it, y'all, because in a hostler, which is like the smaller trucks we use as yard jockeys to back up the truck, it has this thing where it like replenishes the brakes. Semi truck is not like that unless they have something on the tires. But if you brake too much like I do, I was like, I had to keep like building up the air pressure in the truck. So I was like, oh man, Jazzy, you gotta be better about all this braking. So I'm gonna work on that, but I just wanted to get this video out and say I went over the road by myself, and I'm so proud of myself. And my coworker, I say I love my coworkers, kind of like walk me through it. If you need anything, call me, and was up with me at like 4 o'clock in the morning. Like, okay, did you check this? Did you check that? Da 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 da. And my boss is always, well, my manager, nobody's like a boss here, but my manager's like, call me if you need anything, let me know when you get there. So it just felt like I was very supported. You know, take your time, be safe, you know, just follow the rules and you'll be okay. But you know, your nerves start going when that camera turned on. I'm like, oh man, the light just went off. Lord of mercy. Don't tell me I just got fired for stopping at a stop sign for 2 seconds instead of 3, because you gotta stop at a stop sign for 3 seconds. You gotta count it out. So I'm like, oh Lord, I don't know. Just have to pray. I was praying the whole time. I said, Lord, protect me from these cameras. I didn't hit nobody and I didn't die. I didn't mess nothing up. So protect me from some of these rules. But I'll get better. I was just like super nervous. And I'm telling you, the road was clear as day. It was just like, I'm on the road by myself. This is cool. I love driving at night. Like, oh, and I didn't have to stop at a weigh station. So I was driving by like, yeah, the weigh station. I love that. This is like chill. Real chill. And then before I go, because I'm about to go home, check out my nails. So some are stripes and these are my dots. So anywho, I'm getting up out of here. I just want to make a video so I can edit something up and have some content. I just created like a video with lockout men. That was real fun, so I hope I can include some things in one video, just whatever. But I just want to mention that. And yeah, so I'll see you later. Oh, and he hit me up yesterday, so I think the video should be updated soon. And he wished me luck over the road, so shout outs to him, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.